Hi, and thank you for joining me today as I tell you about our Triactive Regenerating Phytocollagen Plumping Mask. So just to give you a recap on our regenerating range, this is really great for helping to tackle those first visible signs of ageing and really giving you the benefits of hydration and also helping to smooth those fine lines and wrinkles that have maybe started to appear on the skin. Within the regenerating range, we use ESPA's signature Triactive blend of marine actives, plant extracts and aromatherapy essential oils to give you the best and deep down results we possibly can. Within your Phytocollagen Plumping Mask, we have Phytocollagen, which helps tackle signs of ageing and helps to plump the skin. We also have bioretinol, which again is a plant-derived extract which gives similar results to retinol without the side effects that can sometimes cause. And we also have hyaluronic acid, which is going to deeply hydrate the skin. So you've got some fantastic ingredients in here. This mask is really made for faces that are just crying out for moisture and comfort and deep down hydration. So not only are you going to get that deep down hydration, you're also going to get that plumping effect on the skin. So the best way to use this mask is apply it to the face, neck and décolleté, relax for 10 minutes, maybe have a nice bath or read some of your favourite book, and then to remove any excess, use damp cotton wool or a damp cloth, and then follow with your favourite ESPA treatment oils or moisturisers and serums to really prolong those amazing results that you're going to see from this mask. Not only will your skin feel instantly nourished after using this mask, you'll feel hydrated and comforted, plumped and smooth, and also have a beautiful bright complexion as well. I really hope you enjoy using this mask. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.